Welcome to your new Peugeot vehicle. The infotainment system is packed with helpful features to ensure you enjoy a connected driving experience. On the radio and music player screen, press List to view a list of radio stations available. To adjust the temperature and fan controls, select the fan icon on the left-hand side of the display. Here you can increase or decrease the fan speed using the plus and minus buttons on screen. The temperature slider adjusts the temperature inside the vehicle from cold to hot. Choose the fan direction using the buttons on the lower right-hand side of the screen. To connect a mobile device, select the phone icon on the right-hand side of the display. Tap Bluetooth search and the vehicle will search for nearby devices. On the mobile device, select Peugeot and follow the on-screen instructions. To make a call using hands-free voice recognition, press the button on the steering wheel. To adjust the volume of the call or music, press the volume plus or minus buttons on the steering wheel. To hang up or answer an incoming call, press the phone button on the steering wheel.